welcome. This is hello guys. Welcome. This is Mani Pradeep Varanasi for you. Welcome to Varanasi's world. So yes, guys. Actually, so I am planning to put some digital videos also, like operating of MS Word and MS Office, MS Excel, etc., etc. These things also I'm planning to start. So starting from the basics will be explained about each and every option and everything. Yes, I know this is most of the people does know about MS Word. Most of the people know what are the options and different kinds of things, but still we have some kind of a people who doesn't even know the basics of MS Word, how to draft a letter, how to write a letter, how the punctuation marks will be used, the shortcuts and everything. Nobody knows these things mostly, right? So I'm going to start with explaining each and everything about MS Word, MS Office, everything. Access, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc., etc. How to manage all these things, these classes, these things also I'm planning to put in a video. Right. So starting now, right. Today I'm going to show you how to open MS Office in different kinds of ways. Right, we have some basic kinds of things are there, basic kinds of where we have several kinds of the ways are there to start MS Office, MS Word or something. Some one is going through the menu, and another thing is going through the run command, and another one is starting with MS DOS, etc., etc., these things. So right, so without wasting any time, let us start with. This is Mani Varanasi and welcome to my channel. Thank you. Right, number one way, first method is opening the shortcut. Right, normally you might know that many people does know about these things. You just have to right click on the mouse, go to new, then you will find the MS Word shortcut. You will find each and everything about MS Office. You have MS Word shortcut, you have PowerPoint shortcut, you have Publisher shortcut, you have Excel worksheet as a shortcut. The main thing is you just open the shortcut, right? Give the name, right? Give some name to this and start. All you have to do is select in which path, which folder you want to create the file, right? In this way you can open faster when you don't have time to go through the menu, and also to avoid all these processes. Okay, so this way your file will be safe. Yes, one thing is there, immediately after you enter all your data and everything, you have to save your data so that you cannot lose it. But one wonderful option is there in MS Office is that when the window closes immediately, okay, without any warning or something. This happens when you lose the power, when your laptop's battery gets down or something. Okay, so this time MS Office saves it in a panel. Okay, so next time when you open it, that will show you. So previously you have done these things, would you like to continue this or not? That will show you. This option is there, but I suggest to save the matter everything, because you don't sometimes that may happen, may not happen. So don't keep all your hopes on that. So immediately whenever you type your data, save it from the shortcut key Control S. If you fail to save it, my dear friends, then yes, possibility of losing your data is for sure. Okay, so this is the first method. So second method is going through the start menu, right? So now I have started the start menu, going to all apps. Now you will find MS Office. Yes, see, you have Office 13 here. So from here you can start your MS Office. right? So yes, I'm starting Word. This is another way for you. If you open like this, okay, then you will be getting the options about how you're going to which one you have to start. You can start from a template, or you can start from the blank document, or you can open your previous documents, right? Previously whatever you have done. So you can see, as you can see, these things are my most recent MS Word documents, right? So for example, if I have to if I have to edit this one, as you can see, service 400 campus questions, then I just have to click on it. So then yes, if I want to make this a red one, so I'll color it, right? Now yes, it's done. Now I'll save it and I'll close it. This option you can use when if you use a file on a daily basis. Today you use it, tomorrow you'll use it, day after tomorrow you'll use it, so you'll open it every time throughout the day. So in order to search it in your entire system, this is the shortest way to to complete your work, faster way, right? Because most of the people will not have that much of the work, right? So this is the second way of opening MS Word from the start menu. So another one is going with search bar. So as you can see, this is a search bar. All you have to do is type the name of the application, if it is the WinWord, then yes, you type WinWord. If it is PowerPoint, then yes, you type PowerPoint. So I'm opening PowerPoint now. Otherwise, see, directly you will get it. So you just have to click on that application. This is second way of opening PowerPoint or MS Office application. Now another one is going through the run command. So click window key plus R, then you will get the run command. You have to type WinWord and press enter. So directly your MS Word or application opens. Here we have several kinds of command keys are there for every individual MS Office application. See, if you type WinWord, then the Word application will open. But if you use the same thing for PowerPoint, see, now I'm typing PowerPoint, WinPowerPoint. See, right? So now I have I typed WinPowerPoint. Now when I try to open it, see, it's not happening. So for each and every application there is an individual command code is there. So same way for PowerPoint, we have to type POWER P see, already it is there. So POWER PNT. If you type it and enter, then you will get PowerPoint. Same way, if you have to open MS Excel, simply you have to type Excel, EXCEL. That's it. So press enter. Now you have MS Excel. If you have to open Access, if you directly write Access or Win Access, it won't open. You have to type MS Access. See, not only that, you have different kinds of keys also, they are there so that you can open. You want to open MS Paint, then you have to type MS PAINT. See, now you will get MS Paint application open. You can also open Calculator, Calc, right? So this is one of the way to open MS Office, right? So yes, sometimes you may not be able to use your desktop, right, directly. In some, for some other reason you are stuck up with, you know, MS DOS application. So how you are going to open it? So now I'm going to open command prompt. Right, so now I have opened this command prompt. Right, so you have to type start space win word. See, now you can see the word has opened. The same way you can start anything, right? So yes guys, these are the different ways, methods of opening MS Word or MS Office, different kinds of the ways, right? I hope you like this video. If you like this, then please like this video, share it, and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.